Wednesday night, FNB Stadium, Pirates versus Sundowns, 6-point separation. Let me tell you about this rivalry. Top of the table clash, the whole country watching, 6 points clear. They trying to close in, plotting. Sundowns been busy with Champions League missions. 4 games away from the league, now back with ambitions. While they conquer Africa, beat MC Alger 2-0. We've been grinding in the Premiership, that's how we grow. 14 games unbeaten, momentum on our side. From 4th place to 1st, now we leading with pride. Back-to-back 2-0s, Majeezy, then Amazulu fell. 3-0 over Gallants, Valentine's story to tell. Now the Brazilians coming, trying to cut the gap down, but this is Soweto territory, this is our town.
6 points between us, but could be 9 tonight. Top of the table, showdown under the lights. History in the making, title race getting tight. FNB Stadium, where we prove who's right.
No, they unbeaten in 6, collected 14 points, back-to-back wins. Yeah, they form's on point, but away from home, only 3 wins all season. 4 draws, 1 loss, that's a concerning reason. Our home record speaks volumes, 21 points collected, only 1 goal conceded, opponents rejected. Now we're FNB with the crowd behind us strong. Sundowns step into Soweto, man, that's a bold move all along. But Thuzio suspended, 4 yellows caught him, and Vala still injured, Cupido trying to slaughter him. Meanwhile, we rolling deep, Seema's back from his band. Mofokin got that magic, he'll execute the plan. Hey. 3 times we met this season, MTN 8 semis, penalties, we advancing. League clash at Loftus, 1-all dancing. Now FNB awaits another chapter romancing. Last time at the arena, Mofokin scored a brace, 2-1 victory, put Sundowns in their place. Broke their league hoodoo after 4 seasons of pain. Now they coming back, trying to flip the script again. 9 times we clashed in 3 years, it's been close. 1 win each recorded, nobody can boast. But Wednesday night different, stakes never been higher. Winner walks away with momentum and fire. McCall Cardoso scheming after slam, got his plans too. Tactical chess match, but it's about who breaks through. 6 points could become 9 or shrink down to 3. This fixture defines the season, the whole league.
6 points between us, but could be 9 tonight. Top of the table, showdown under the lights. History in the making, title race getting tight. FNB Stadium, where we prove who's right.
Yo, they got Champions League pedigree, African success. We got Premiership momentum, passing every test. 21 points at home, fortress mentality. 1 goal conceded, that's defensive reality. February 18, the date circled in gold. Biggest match this season, story to be told. Pirates leading, Sundowns chasing the dream. But at FNB Stadium, we reign supreme. Not trying to bark loud, just stating the facts. 14 unbeaten, 3 points is what we attract. Sundowns desperate, we comfortable at the peak. Wednesday night will show who's strong, who's strong.
6 points between. Wednesday night decide. Soweto versus Supreme, where champions reside.
Yeah. FNB Stadium.